everybody, this is Kiki's Customs. I can't do this.
Oh my god, this guy is coming back. He's not done yet.
Part 2.
Part 2.
Guess what?
What are we gonna do?
It's gonna rain.
And it's gonna rain today. Of all days that we're gonna do this, it's gonna rain outside.
So I've been doing push-ups every day.
Yeah.
I'll do like 10 sets of 10. Like it's about time for my next set.
It's about time.
Now he's gonna be shaking his arms when he's trying to paint my car without the guns that he brought.
I brought the guns. They're right here.
So, my painter, again, he brought his no paint guns.
You have one.
And so I have one that I got from Goodwill. $4.
Let's do it.
And I don't know why he does this to me. He just leaves me in the dust and he's like, here,
We make
we're gonna use this.
Is that supposed to be bent?
I hope so. We should throw some water in it and see if it works.
It'll work.
How do you know?
Because I know spray guns.
At this point, I don't know if I can trust this guy anymore. We got these we gotta paint. We got those we gotta paint. Those are first priority.
Hey, what's the weight limit on this?
Let's find out. Hop on it.
Oh!
I found this in my shed. We got Rust-Oleum. I got a little whisker action going on. You know, you stick that in there, mix that thing up. But he said I can't put reducer in it because it's oil based. What did you say we could put in it?
Oil.
You can put oil in it. So I found some lighter fluid. I don't know. Maybe you can paint a car with this.
How do you reduce oil? You use acetone. It's soluble.
Lighter fluid.
Okay, try it. Be careful of that. Is that whisker not non-spark?
I hope so.
What
in the redneck is going on here, Daniel? Oh, I think it's working actually. Dude, this is looking good. Is that too thick? How much? Tell me when.
And stop. And I'm like, no more water.
Oh shit! Bro, that's f***ing dope. I'm gonna become a painter now. F this mechanic shit. I could charge $800 for sitting on the chair over there.
You wanna do it?
Hey, this is consulting fees.
Alright guys, this is a Kiki's Customs moment. If this works,
This is 100%
Dude, we need to
Kiki's
start a
Customs.
shop, dude.
that's what I'm saying, bro. So for what we're using today, we got a $4 gun, a $5 air filter thing, $60 air compressor, and $5 right there. Now the real question is, let's see if it dries.
I made a fan!
What are you doing, dude?
Oh, shit! Professional. It's raining outside and we're painting cars today.
Exactly. $4 paint gun, lighter fluid as thinner, and old Rust-Oleum that's probably like 10 years old.
Kiki's Customs, where we get it done.
That looks pretty
By any means necessary.
Show them the thing.
So the lesson here, people, when you learn how to do something really good, you never have to do it again. Learn your shit, teach people how to do that shit, and charge them consulting fees.
My God, I got him to do something.
Is your sister really black?
This guy comes to my house,
I just found out
tries to paint my car, and now he's trying to go with my sister.
that I think my sister's a lesbian, dude. Little lesbian. I was like, what the fuck, she turned out to be a lesbian?
This guy's supposed to be painting my car. I don't know what he's talking about.
If you manifest something, it could become reality.
We manifested a nice car. What happened? I'm just kidding.
Tell me, guys, is this green? That's blue as shit, motherfucker. So this is the car I painted, guys. The faster you go, the more blue it looks because the front end's blue. So if you go really fast, it's like, shoo, it's just blue. This is the clapped out Mercedes-Benz. Those are his calipers that he decided to paint the same color as his truck, blue. Here is where he repaired his rim with the Harbor Freight welder. Guys, don't try this shit at home, okay? Till next time, we're gonna paint shit green. You made more straight shot and you turned up the pressure.
Oh, turn up the pressure.
Oh, fuck, that was a bad idea. Ready?
Go for it.
What the f happened? I went to go take a shit.
You know, if you want something done, you gotta do it yourself, apparently.
It's cool. He said he did a bad job too.
I can't wait on somebody to not bring their paint guns here. Harbor Freight, $20, $30 paint gun. We're painting in the dark so I don't have to look at it. How do I get over there? More blue, more blue, more blue. Oh, that was a lot of blue. Now the kicks custom, man. Oh, that's gonna be sexy. You guys at home right now, you're probably laughing your asses off this whole entire video. Well, you're stressed, man.
Keeler almost cried 5 times.
6.